What does a human need to feel happy? Of course, the answer depends on who the question is given to. The one does not feel happy even if embracing the whole world, while the other is satisfied with a trifle. Just another chance.
Atėjęs čia dirbti, tu nesi atstumtas. Čia ateini, pradedi nuo paprasto darbo, ten už baro, padavėjų.
Čia išmokau aš sąžiningumą, čia aš išmokau, man atrodo, atvirai kalbėti apie viską.
Dalius and Linas are former drug addicts. They and many other young people walking on the edge received a helping hand to overcome the addiction and get back to the society from a unique project they took part in.
Aš pradėjau mylėti savo darbą, tiesiog nes man patinka bendrauti su klientais, man patinka kolektyvas, su kuriuo aš galiu laisvai bendrauti, galiu neslėpti savo vidinių, ta prasme, kažkokių problemų. Aišku, kitur tai teks biškį mažiau atviriam būti, nes ne visa visuomenė, ta prasme, supranta mūsų tą priklausomybę. Bet va čia yra man tiesiog tobula.
After finishing their preparatory courses, former drug addicts may work, and they work, in the salad restaurant My Guru, since 2004 inviting its visitors to the heart of Lithuanian capital. The project My Guru entails either a social integration of individuals suffering from dependency diseases or their rehabilitation. As many as 70% of the My Guru employees are people who suffered from addiction to psychotropic substances. Participation in the project and employment in a healthy food restaurant encourages former addicts to acquire new skills, experience, and to overcome fear of themselves and their past lives.
Būtent, kad jie neturi darbinių įgūdžių. Tada yra sunku susirasti darbą, mokintis nenori, nes nebaigtas vidurinis, reikia pradėti. Pradžia, ten pasitikėjimas savimi stygius.
My Guru is a project having no analogues in Lithuania. For many addicts, it not only helped to overcome the dependency and get back to the labor market, but also made our society better perceive integration problems former addicts are facing with. My Guru is an excellent example of cooperation between business and local authorities, public organizations, health education institutions, which has encouraged significant changes in the processes of social integration improvement within the country. My Guru altered a Lithuanian understanding about what a social business entity is. That such a business can be not only a place for the rehabilitation of former addicts, but yield profit as well. In 2009, My Guru received an award of the most hospitable restaurant in Vilnius.
Bet mes tengiamės, kad tai būtų ir skanu, ir geras aptarnavimas, maloni aplinka, ir kad tie žmonės atėję, kad ir turėdami tą išankstinį nusistatymą, jie išeitų su teigiama nuostata apie priklausomą žmogų.
Bold and innovative idea of My Guru seems to be infectious, as many other Lithuanian municipalities are interested in cooperation and foundation of similar entities for the rehabilitation of those suffering from dependency diseases.
Pasibaigus projektui ir šiandieną veiklos išliko tos pačios, jos yra tęsiamos, tiek mūsų, tiek dalis programų yra perkelia kitos įstaigos, kurios naudoja motyvacinę programą, taiko rehabilitacijos bendruomenėse.
Today, My Guru is a very popular salad restaurant in Vilnius, so even being a social project by nature, it holds out from income gained by serving food. You do not find any tobacco and alcohol. However, visitors appreciate an opportunity to have a healthy meal in a cozy atmosphere.
Čia viena iš priežasčių, kodėl aš ten apsilankau, dėl to, kad aš noriu palaikyti šitą iniciatyvą.
Personalas labai gerai dirba ir iš tiesų niekur kitur nerasti tokio didžiulio pasirinkimo salotų, kaip gali rasti būtent Guru kavinėje.
So, let us ask a question once more. What does a human need to feel happy? Indeed, just a trifle.